Alright, here we are looking at Joe Ellis's. He just got his fresh new TLR 8ight-X-E. Here's a servo he's going to run with it. 2274. And here's some of the goodies he's got. The carbon insert for the arms. And there's his electronic package he's gonna run in there. Alright, let's do an unboxing here. It's already been cut. Gonna open it up here. I don't have my tripod, so bear with me. Got the instruction book. Let's see.
You make a new rule. DG's gotta be in all the videos.
That's pretty detailed instructions. Your decal sheet here. It's not as big as the one that came with the 10 scale 5.0 cars, but there it is. Come with wheels. Yeah, it's not as big as that one. Their body here, already cut out. Let's see, here's a part bag here. Looks like arms, rear arms. And they give you wheels. Bag F here look like motor mounts and servo mounts. Here's the diff bag here, bag A. Let's see, they comes with 1,000 weight, 10,000 weight, and 4,000 weight. Or no, 10,000 weight. So both 10,000 weight and 4,000 weight. And bag H here. Here's, I guess, the turnbuckle bag, bag C. Here's the shock springs, bag B, pistons. Here's the shock bodies. Let's see what the, okay, it comes with 40 weight oil and 37.5 weight oil.
That's the first time I've ever seen it in a tube like that.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bag E. I guess this would be your hubs and arms here and your wing. Comes with the wing. And here's your tool bag, option 1 tool bag here. And like this is a chassis stiffener bag, like chassis braces. And last but not least, here's the chassis. Kind of flat in the back. Not that much kick up anywhere except in the front. But here's the chassis here. And Joe said he'd probably have this built by next week, so maybe we can do an inside part video. Let's see. Here's the box here. There's the box. Thank y'all guys for tuning in to this unboxing. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. But I'll talk with y'all guys later.